there is something we need, it's a leap of faith, a step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you, how far can you see? How far do you think you can run, standing on your knees? It's a beautiful world out there, just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
Right guys, here we go, the Rabion 4 again. This was here last year, I think, or the year before. Have a look inside. Cheers, thank you.
Yeah, worries, jump in.
So this is the one which is the long wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter. Could you tell us a bit about this one?
Yeah,
if you don't mind.
So, basically this is our Rebellion 4. It's a 4-seater. This drops down into a bed. We can offer you a cab bunk. Obviously, 7-metre long van, 4.4 tonnes, 20 litre fridge at the front, 80 litre at the back with a built-in freezer. All-go composting toilet. All our workspaces are Korean. So plenty of.
See Korean, that's nice, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, so plenty of worktops.
Very tough.
Yeah, definitely durable. Obviously, drop down into the sink. So it could be used as a chopping board. Additional space. Pops out.
Yeah.
So
good use of space, that is, isn't it? Yeah.
Definitely. Induction hob. Obviously, this van's all electric.
Yeah. What sort of power's it got?
Power spec. So this one will have two 200 amp lithium battery, leisure batteries at 24 volts. So when you drop that down to 12, it essentially doubles. A 8 kilowatt inverter and 480 watts of solar on the roof.
On the roof, brilliant. Yeah.
So we've got our own advanced power management system. Basically, it works off of the engine along with that.
On the B2B.
Inverter.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, we can run air fryers, we can run microwaves, all your induction and stuff, all your electric. We can run that straight off the diesel.
And is it a lot of it Victron? Did I say? Is it?
Yeah, yeah. So all the batteries we use,
all the monitors,
all Victron. Obviously, Victron monitors. It tells you what's coming in, what's going out. Our inverters, Victron. I can show you all that in the back of the garage.
Yeah, in a second. Yeah, brilliant.
You want to see the old?
Yeah, we're gonna, so it's a composting.
Yeah, yeah. So I'll just show you the sink. Obviously, pop down sink. Obviously, that's all Korean as well.
Yeah, that's good.
Built-in tap. So it's not cheap. Not it's good quality.
Yeah.
All these parts in house. It's all SLS. It's 3D printed. So yeah, the toilet's fully removable. So because we buy an all-go toilet, composting toilet, and we do a lot of customization on it. So basically, if you pop them 2 pins, and we can fully remove your toilet.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's brilliant. Gives you that much more space as well.
Yeah, exactly, for showering and emptying. Or if you want to, do your business top of the mountain, that's possible.
Yeah.
Obviously, you've got your pins at the back for your power. So basically, obviously you've got your indicator to tell you when it's full. You've got your front waste, your rear waste.
But goes into the diverting,
Yeah, so it just separates it into 2 tanks. Obviously, that mixes it with soil or hummus brick or like coconut.
I think they're coming more and more popular now, aren't they? To be honest,
because you get much more use out of them. And you're not it's not chemical based. So you're not looking for
2 or 3 days like us. We're always having to 2 or 3 days having to sort of where do we get rid of this?
Yeah, so this is 30 or 40 uses is what we recommend. But we've had a customer use it for 3 months without changing it because it doesn't smell because it separates your waste. Built-in fan, obviously, to get rid of any.
I like that. I see that going into the back there. Yeah.
So that gets rid of any smell.
And I like the sleeping at the back because it's stepped up, isn't it, on a raise, which is.
Yes, it's an elevated lounge. Which gives you that big lounge, and it gives you the garage space. So obviously, you've got a table here, plenty of slide-out storage, access to the rear garage. Just move that. Hide your air fryer.
Yeah.
So I'll show you how the bed sets up. Basically, it's as close to a standard bed as you can get. Obviously, you can sleep either side if you don't want to set a bed up. Yeah. But setting a bed up.
So nearly like a German style, isn't it? Sort of. Yeah.
It gives you that extra living space. You sit up here, you watch TV. You've got all your speaker systems, all that sort of stuff. And because we've got them up and over doors.
That's lovely. So Safari sort of opener, isn't it? That is.
Yeah, exactly. And they're both independent, so you don't have to open the bottom one to open the top one. Yeah.
So what I like about that, there's not much you have to do to make that bed, is there really?
No,
literally.
You pull your man out, obviously, and then you slide in your cushion.
Yeah.
Which are obviously 2 triangles, and that just makes up the square.
And then with the back triangles off the back bit, which is brilliant, isn't it?
Obviously, because of how far the bed comes out, it still gives you that step up space, so you're not jumping all the way down.
No, that's clever, that is. Really, really well thought out, that is.
Yeah, it's a great setup.
And I see, you said before, it's on the Mercedes Sprinter.
Yeah, so it's on the 490 chassis.
Yeah.
So it's a 4.4, well, this weighs 4.4 kilos.
Yeah.
4.4 tons.
Tons, yeah.
Obviously, we've got all our inbox system. At the front, we've got all our laser lights, water drain for your fresh water, and then on the other side, we've got your wastewater drain. So if you want to drop all your your fresh water, your wastewater,
you can do that all from
the console.
And what sort of water capacity this got on?
160 litre fresh, 82 litre underslung grey. That's all heated. So obviously, heated the pipes, heated at the outlets.
So you can go to the Arctic with this then.
Yeah, exactly.
Brilliant. Can we have a look at the back then? That'd be because this is. Because is this the one it's got the washing machine in, or was that the one last year? There's one before you had.
So we do fit washing machine as an option. We've not brought one with us, but yeah, we can do that.
Yeah,
I'll show you the back. Yeah.
Let's have a quick look at the back, guys.
Yeah. So if you just jump down, we've obviously got basically awning.
Yeah, it comes out.
Press of a button, it all comes down. You drop your 2 legs, and then you've got obviously your proper awning frame.
Oh, that comes out from the
fully enclosed awning.
Brilliant. So you got the Rhino wheels on here as well, haven't you?
Yeah, so the Rhino Warlord with some Goodrich tyres, proper off-road tyres. Obviously your suspension is airbagged, and then we offer our own self-leveling, our own easy leveling system.
Right,
so
brilliant.
It's on a remote, you've got 6 buttons, and you can adjust the position of all your rams. So if you get a flat tyre, obviously
you can lift yourself. You can lift yourself up and get
Yeah, exactly. So if you get a flat, you can lift yourself up, take that wheel off, put your spare on, or if you're off grid, you're up the side of a mountain, you can level out your system and.
Brilliant. Well thought out. Very well.
Kelvin, anyway, just show these folks inside that one, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So air suspension front and rear.
Yeah, front and rear. Obviously, it's all controlled from just at the driver's side. Obviously, we've got fuel locks either side.
Oh yeah, it's secured. Yeah.
That's your making house again. So we've got shower tent with all your hooks.
Oh, so you can shower at the back end if you wanted to.
Shower,
yeah. And then in here as well.
Obviously, massive garage. So here we've got rear heated shower, so no cold showers at the back. You can wash your dogs off, your bikes, yourself. Obviously, your shower tank round. These are your 2 freshwater tanks.
Internal
water filtration system.
Brilliant in there as well. So you got it all in there.
The garage is heated, and then obviously you've got your 240 volt supply and your 12 volt outlets in the back.
What's all the heating from? Did we touch on that?
It's all Truma.
It's all Truma. Everything.
Truma combi boiler, so it's both diesel or electric powered, and that gives you obviously your hot water and your hot air.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant.
So this is the Victron inverter system we use, and that's our advanced power generator system. So basically, that's what gives us the ability to go fully off grid.
And the 24 volt, you say you've got it? Yeah.
So 24 volt batteries.
And they're down obviously to 12, and which gives you that longer period.
Yeah, gives us a longer period. And what these 2 systems do in conjunction is they mean we can just set our idle going on our van, and that'll give you all the 240 volt power you need.
Brilliant. No, that's great. Thank you for the tour around.
Yeah, not a problem.
Now, guys, say it's a lovely van. This is. I know. Last year we did one as well. It was quite popular.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
You used to have the hatch, which I've done. The hatch. I don't know what this one has. Was the wrong way round? The hatch on the roof.
I'd have to
I know the one you had last year or the year before. The hatch on the roof was the wrong way round, so you could get out.
Yeah.
Because it's so far back, you could get out onto the roof. And I did that on my Iveco Daily, exactly the same, off the same idea. There was a button on the dashboard to say if it was open, warn you straight away. That's where I got that idea, which is great from you guys. But much appreciated. Thank you. Yeah, thank you both. So if anyone wants to get in touch, and so what sort of price would this one be?
So currently the standard van at the moment is just over 170,000.
Yeah.
Spec to this spec, it's just short of 210, I believe.
Yeah.
And then as of 2025, obviously we're building our own super high roofs. So it'll be a little bit more boxy, so you'll have a little bit higher, a little bit more space.
But they're well spec'd on them. That's the thing. You can go anywhere in the world with it, can't you? That's the thing with it.
Exactly. It's a proper overland vehicle.
Yeah.
Obviously, we're type approved. We've got our VCA approved for building overland vehicles. Nowhere else in the UK does that.
So, guys, I'll put in the comments where you can get in touch with these guys, and if you need to, give them contact.
Awesome.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Thank you.